This is my day. Just gonna try. I have her crack. This is Day's crack. I'm gonna get her in the box. I'm gonna try to. I've been trying.
I did too. You know what really spoke to me was you seem like a gentle person who's found some happiness, and it was nice to couple that with the sound of your voice.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow.
And you feel good about all this.
I do.
Yeah.
I've never, and you would think.
This is still new, newbie, fresh, fragile, raw. Raw's a good place to be for an artist. It really is what Tristan said.
Yeah, for rest me up.
It's a yes for me.
Yes for me too.
It's a yes.
Oh my God, you're good.
She will not go in the box.
Well, you can't leave without doing the Cher impression. You know, you have to do the Cher. You can't leave. You can't have one more. Don't drop that and then run.
I got it.
There. In the box.
I thought it was in the box.
She will not get in the box. No matter which way you try.
That's how you do. Good for her.
This is never gonna be watched.
There you go. You lost Day.
Oh my gosh, it's such a fresh start. Like, this means this could finally be it. Like, this could really be it this time. And I'm so blessed and so grateful right now.
That's television.
Yay! I got her